Today in Inhe Energy's Inverter Live, we are testing a powerful setup. 3 units 12 kW split-phase hybrid inverters operating in parallel to form a 3-phase system, seamlessly switching from on-grid to off-grid mode. The engineer activates the DC switch and configures the parallel connections, making the inverter A is connected with B, B with C, C with A. The inverter A is designated as the master unit. With a single press of the one-click start button, the system transitions smoothly from standby to normal parallel operation. Then we apply a full 36 kW load to test the system's stability under maximum demand. The inverters respond flawlessly. When we cut grid power, the system instantly and intelligently switches to solar and battery power, supplying the load without any interruption or voltage drop. This test fully demonstrates that Inhe Energy's 5 to 12 kW split-phase hybrid inverters deliver reliable parallel operation, strong scalability, and grid-ready performance.